How to buy things on AliExpress with coins. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can buy things on AliExpress with coins, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To buy things with AliExpress and coins on AliExpress, all you have to do is open the AliExpress tab. Here you can see coins. So here you can see I have got 118 coins on AliExpress, which is equal to $1.18 because one coin equals to 1 cent. So not all the products that you see are eligible to buy with coins, but the ones that you can see here that says use coins for discount, these are the products that is eligible for a discount using a coin. So suppose this product is rupees 462. If I have got 118 cents, I will get 118 rupees discount over here. So I will simply be able to see a couple of details here, then I can tap the buy now option, then I will get a discount using my coins over here. Then that's all it takes to buy things with coins in AliExpress. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.